Arizona is a no-fault divorce state, meaning that couples do not have to prove wrongdoing to end their marriage. This legal approach simplifies the process, particularly for those who qualify for an express divorce, also known as an uncontested or simplified dissolution. This option is designed for couples who agree on major issues such as property division, child custody, and spousal support, significantly reducing the time and costs associated with traditional divorce proceedings. To be eligible for an express divorce in Arizona, at least one spouse must have been a resident of the state for at least 90 days. Additionally, both parties must be in mutual agreement regarding the terms of the divorce, including asset distribution, parenting responsibilities, and any necessary financial arrangements. Filing for an express divorce in Arizona begins with completing and submitting the required legal documents, including the petition for dissolution of marriage. Many counties allow electronic filing, making the process even more convenient. Once the petition is filed and the other spouse signs an acceptance of service, the court imposes a mandatory 60-day waiting period. This timeframe ensures that both parties have adequate time to reflect on their decision before the divorce is finalized. One of the most significant advantages of an express divorce is its efficiency. Traditional divorces can take several months or even years due to legal disputes and court delays. However, an uncontested divorce can be finalized in as little as 2 months, provided that all paperwork is properly completed and submitted. Another benefit is cost savings. The legal fees for a contested divorce can be substantial, with attorney fees and court costs quickly adding up. Many individuals opt to handle the paperwork themselves or use affordable legal services to ensure accuracy while keeping costs low. Despite its advantages, an express divorce is not suitable for everyone. If there are disputes over assets, child custody, or financial support, a more comprehensive legal process may be necessary. Additionally, if one spouse is unwilling to cooperate, a contested divorce may be unavoidable. It is crucial to carefully evaluate your situation and seek legal counsel if needed to ensure your rights are protected. For those who qualify, following a few key steps can help streamline the express divorce process. First, gather all necessary documents, including financial records, property agreements, and parenting plans if children are involved. Second, communicate openly with your spouse to ensure all terms are mutually agreed upon. Finally, review all paperwork thoroughly before submission to avoid unnecessary delays. Have you considered an express divorce, or do you have any concerns about the process? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss.